Closure. Inisip natin na kailangan natin marinig mula sa kanila yung mga bagay-bagay para makamove on. Parang kailangan natin ng explanation. Kailangan nila i-validate yung feelings natin. Or kailangan natin balikan lahat ng details just one more time. Feeling natin dun lang tayo gagaling. Dun lang tayo makakuha ng peace. Pero what if hindi mo pala talaga kailangan yun? Not for them, at least. What if hindi mo kailangan hanapin yung healing mo sa kamay ng taong nanakit sa'yo or nakasakit sa'yo? Minsan kasi yung constant search of closure from others actually keeps you stuck. It prevents you from moving forward kasi nakadepende ka sa kanila. Maybe, baka lang, you need to be the one to give yourself that closure. Maybe you need to honor how you feel without needing anyone else to say your feelings are valid. Siguro kailangan mo lang maging solid sa decision mo na yung situation na yon, it was no longer serving you and time is up. Maybe the real closure comes from trusting what you already know to be true deep down. Nasa iyo naman pala talaga ang sagot.